Hey there, let's cut the BS. Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly make others obsessed with them? Spoiler, it's not luck, looks, or magic. It's science. And today I'm handing you the playbook. But first, warning, these hacks might feel illegal. Be honest, you've dreamed about having that magnetic charm, right? Where your crush can't stop thinking about you, your date becomes addicted to your vibe, or you just own the room without trying. Here's the truth. Attraction isn't random, it's psychology. And if you're not using these 5 research-backed hacks, you're leaving your love life to chance. But let's be clear, this isn't manipulation. It's about leveling up your authentic self. Ready to become irresistible? Let's dive in. The attraction formula. First, let's debunk the biggest myth about love. Opposites attract. Nope. Science says we're hardwired to crave similarity, shared values, hobbies, even quirks. So if you're faking love for hiking to impress your outdoorsy crush, stop. Focus on what actually matters to you. Hack number 1, the exposure effect. The more someone sees you, the more they like you. Not in a creepy way, though. Think study groups, gym sessions, or coincidental coffee runs. Familiarity breeds attraction. Hack number 2, mirroring. Subtly copy their body language, and their brain goes, "Hey, this person gets me." Wait 2 to 3 seconds before mirroring, or you'll look like a glitching robot. Emotional sparks. Let's get real. Looks fade, but emotional highs are crack for the brain. Plan dates that excite. Escape rooms, spicy cooking classes, even karaoke fails. Their brain will link you with that adrenaline rush. But the real secret? Vulnerability. Mess up? Laugh at yourself. Share an embarrassing story. Perfection is boring. Flaws make you real. It's called the pratfall effect. And yes, tripping over your own feet can actually make someone like you more. Touch and confidence. Hack number 3, strategic touch. A study found a 1-second arm touch makes people 20% more into you. Keyword, 1 second. Don't be the weirdo who turns a high five into a hand massage. Confidence. It's not about arrogance. It's about owning your quirks. Fake it till you make it. Science says yes. Stand tall, speak slow, and pretend you're James Bond ordering a smoothie. Eventually, your brain believes it. The death of desperation. Biggest mistake? Trying too hard. Scarcity equals value. Have a life outside them. Post you skydiving, salsa dancing, or adopting a llama. Be someone worth chasing, not someone chasing validation. At the end of the day, attraction's about being your best, authentic self. Use these hacks and the right people will stick. Oh, and if you didn't smash subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? Your future soulmate's probably in the comments right now. Go say hi.